Information about Callicarpa dichotoma. Callicarpa dichotoma, commonly known as purple beautyberry, is a species of flowering shrub in the Lamiaceae family. It is native to East Asia, including China, Japan, Korea, and Taiwan. The shrub typically grows up to 2 to 3 meters in height and is deciduous, losing its leaves in winter. The leaves are oval-shaped, with a pointed tip and a serrated edge, and are arranged in an opposite pattern on the stem. In the autumn, the shrub produces clusters of small, bright purple berries that are highly ornamental and attractive to birds. In traditional medicine, the root and leaves of Callicarpa dichotoma have been used to treat a variety of ailments, including fever, headaches, and joint pain. Recent studies have also shown that the plant contains several bioactive compounds with potential therapeutic properties, including anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects. Callicarpa dichotoma is commonly cultivated as an ornamental plant in gardens and parks due to its attractive berries and foliage. It prefers well-drained soil and full sun to partial shade and is relatively easy to grow.